Hey lovelies, how are you? Hope you're fine wherever you are. So this is going to be a garden video today. Trying to beat the rain to get some stuff poured out and sorted so I could go ahead and after the rain be able to plant. So wherever you are, I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope that you had a chance to love on yourself, because if you don't love yourself, no one else will be able to love you. And I hope you've had the chance to tell your family and friends that mean the world to you what they mean, because today's promise, tomorrow is not. Don't say wisha, coulda, shoulda. All right? So come along with me while I go ahead and prep this location for planting. All right, guys? So let's go. So you might be wondering why I use this. I prefer, this is the best one out there as far as commercial. If I had a choice to go get more of this, I would. But right now I don't have, and we only could get it at certain time, and I'm up against time. So I do the best box store variety that I can find. The rain is gonna come, and I want to go ahead and get this kind of sorted out. And so So 6 bags are out. Now I am just going to go ahead and add, I use play sand. So I buy sand, I'm just gonna mix it in. So that's my next thing that I'm doing. Trying to beat the rain. So the reason why I put the sand in there is to help with drainage. Oh Lord, the rain is coming. So 2 bags. And then this is cow manure. God, just give me 30 more minutes. What? Yeah, I mean, they tried to carry out the garbage. Before, because the rain don't come down, but it's trying to bring out the garbage before the rain. This is where I'm past it. I have one more bag of sand that I need to put down, and then I can start mixing this. This is a 50-pound bag of clay sand, pine sand. And that's it, guys. Daddy mix up everything, including the one where the old one where I did it. So you hear? I don't know what moment to put on time, but I'm not too sure what it is. You can't let any waste. You have to shake out everything. All right, my dad is mixing that in for me. Oh shit, all this stuff. So I put an extra bag on this that I had. So 7 bags I put down, plus what was there before. So that's what I'm putting down now. I've put 3 bags or 2 bags of play sand, and that's to help with drainage. I need another 6 bag down at that end to put in there, but that's what I'm doing right now. So the rain is gonna come anytime, so that's it. All right, lovelies. So I just need to get this part ready so I could at least start transplanting some stuff, some sorrel. All right, talk to you later, guys. Wherever you are, have a beautiful day. Take the time to love on yourself, because if you don't love yourself, no one else will be. Okay, and make sure to plant at least 1 item, and tell the people in your life what they mean to you, because today's promise, tomorrow is not. All right, lovelies, until next time, bye.